Hello students, good morning. Now today we start our first lesson, numbers. Now what is the numbers? Numbers are those digits which are we use to count someone or something. That means numbers play an important role in our life. We use numbers to represent various things in our day-to-day life, like how many colors in rainbow? So the answer is 7. How many fingers in our hand? So the answer is 10. How many eyes we have? The answer is 2. So this all answer represented by the numbers. So numbers are very important in our life. Now a number can be written using different symbols. Each of these symbols is called a numeral. Now what is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line that we represent numbers in various method. Like in Hindi we write in this, in English we write like this, and in Roman numbers we write like this. So this all method we call numerals. Understood? Now in second standard you learned about 3-digit numbers, means 100, tens and ones. You learned about 1 to 999. This is right side, first number is ones, then tens, then 100. So we should read it 999. Understood? Now here we start from the activity number 1. Now what is the activity number 1? Activity number 1 is fill in the blanks. Now we start from the activity number 1. Fill in the blanks. Our first blank is the largest 2-digit number is. So before we write 2-digit largest number, we revise largest 1-digit number. The largest 1-digit number is 9. So largest 2-digit number is 99. Smallest 3-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number is 10. So smallest 3-digit number is 100. We only add the one more zero, so we get 3-digit number. Then the second exercise is complete the table. Here is number are given and here we should mention number name. This chapter only for the revision because you already learned this chapter in second standard. Now our first number is 458. If you don't know how do we read it, what we are doing? We should write 100, tens and ones. The places on the number. Right side first number is ones, middle number is tens, and first left hand side number is the 100. So we should read it 458. So we should write it 458. What we should write? हम वही लिखते हैं हम जो रीड करते हैं. I read it 458. So I would write it 458. Understood? Now second number is 271. When you have the spelling of 100, you can remember that our answer always in 3-digit number. जब भी आपके स्पेलिंग में 100 आता है तो आप समझ जाना कि आपका आंसर 3-digit में है. तो 200 that means 2 on the place of 100, then 70 represented by 7, and then 1. So our answer is 271. Now our next number is 145. As we read, as we write 145. What our answer? 145. You remember one thing, when we write spelling of 40, we should not use U. The spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. Understood? Now here 1, 2 and 3 answers remaining. These 3 answer you solve yourself as I show you in first 3. जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट 3 में आपको बताया वैसा ही आपको नेक्स्ट 3 में अपने आप सॉल्व करना है. Now we move on the next page number 7. Okay. Now the page number 7, question number 3. Circle the smallest number. Smallest का मतलब होता है सबसे छोटा नंबर. Now how do we find the smallest number? तो remember one thing, when we have two numbers or more than two numbers, तो how do we compare all numbers together? We start comparison from the place of 100. We start comparison from the place of 100. If I ask you smallest number, largest number, if I ask you please put the sign of greater, smaller or equal, in all three situation we always compare the number from the place of 100. Understood? First we compare place of 100. If in all number place of 100 is same number, so then we move on the place of tens. If place of tens also same, so then we move on the place of ones. Now we start comparison so you can easily understand. Now smallest, that means सबसे छोटा number. So first we should compare place of 100. Now this is the 3, then 5, then 7. All three numbers are different. 3, 5, 7. Who is smallest? 3. 3 is smallest. So 312 is the smallest number. Then in the second, 237, 347, 121. Again we should compare the first digit. 2, 3, 1. Who is the smallest? 1. Because 1 is smallest, so 121 is the smallest number. Now A and B is done. C and D, try yourself. Okay, students? Then after question number 4 is circle the largest number. Smallest, that means सबसे छोटा. Largest, that means सबसे बड़ा. Okay? Again we start comparison from the place of 100. 8, 9, 7. Who is smallest? Who is largest? 8, 9 and 7. Between these three number, 9 is largest number. Because of that, 925 largest number. Because 9 is the biggest number, 925 is the largest number. Next side, again we compare first number. Now 5, 5, 5. In all three numbers, place of 100, same number. So what we are doing? Now we move on the next number. That means place of tens. Now 1, 1, 1. Again all three numbers are same. So now we move on place of ones. 8, 7, 2. Who is biggest in 8, 7 and 2? The biggest number is 8. So the largest number is the 518. Sometime I speak biggest and sometime I speak largest. The largest and the biggest both meaning are same. Okay? Now what comes just before? Before का मतलब है कि जो नंबर दिया है उससे पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा. वी हैव टू मेथड फॉर दैट. मैं आपको दोनों मेथड यहाँ पे करवा रही हूँ. ठीक है. फर्स्ट मेथड इज दैट इफ वी हैव 99 ऑन द बैक साइड. अगर पीछे हमारे पास 99 है तो बिफोर में नंबर नहीं बदलेगा. लेकिन अगर हमारे पास पीछे 00 है तो नंबर बदल जाता है बिफोर में. याद रखना, अगर पीछे 00 है तो हमारा नंबर बदल जाता है, ये याद रखना. अब वो दो मेथड क्या है? फर्स्ट मेथड इज यू सेपरेट द नंबर ऑफ 100 एंड नंबर ऑफ टेंस एंड वंस. 100 के नंबर को अलग कर दो, टेंस और वंस को अलग कर दो. प्लेस ऑफ 100 नंबर विल नॉट चेंज इफ देयर आर नो जीरोज. अगर पीछे के दोनों नंबर ज़ीरो नहीं हैं तो बिफोर में हमारा पहला नंबर चेंज नहीं होगा. सो वी शुड राइट हियर 4. नाउ 58 बिफोर 57. So our answer is 457. And the second method is what? 458 is number and we want before number. So for before number we subtract 1 from the given number. Now 8 minus 1, 7, 5, 4. So our answer is 457. Now what is the number? Before number of 278. So the before number of 278 is 277. Now what is the before number of 615? So the before number of 615 is 614. Now 174. Again I separate these both numbers. 1 as it is in the place of 100. Now 74 before 73. So our answer is 173. Now this is your before number is done. Next is the what comes just after. आपको लगेगा मैम आज एक साथ हमको बहुत सारा करवा रही हैं, बट बेटा इट्स जस्ट अ रिवीजन ऑफ योर सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड. जब आप थर्ड का करोगे तो मैं आपको एक साथ इतना काम नहीं करवाऊंगी. ओके, बट इफ़ योर कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर योर थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड वुड बी ईजियर फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ आफ्टर? आफ्टर का मतलब होता है इसके बाद आने वाला नंबर. नाउ अगेन आई सेपरेट दिस नंबर. अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे दोनों ज़ीरो हैं तो हमारा आफ्टर नंबर में भी आंसर बदलेगा. अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे दोनों 99 हैं, आफ्टर नंबर जब हम ढूंढते हैं और पीछे हमें 99 दिया है तो हमारा 100 का नंबर चेंज होता है, अदरवाइज़ नहीं होता. यहाँ पे तो 89 दिया है तो 7 एज इट इज़ इन द प्लेस ऑफ 100. नाउ 89 आफ्टर 90. सो आवर आंसर इज 790. Now 200. 2 as it is on the place of 100. Now 0 0 after 0 1. So our answer is 201. Now इसकी एक और मेथड क्या है? If I want before number, I subtract 1 from the given number. But when I want after number, what I am doing? Now I have the number is 334. For after number, I add 1 in given number. Now 4 plus 1, 5, 3 as it is, again 3 as it is. So my answer is 335. Same method you apply in this number, so you got your answer. Understood? And the next is the write in expanded form. First you remember what is the meaning of expanded. expand का मतलब होता है फैलाना. expand का मतलब क्या होता है? फैलाना. अभी ये तीनों नंबर क्या हैं? साथ में खड़े हैं. 3, 4 and 7 stand together in expanded form. We divide this number according their place value or according we read it. place value यानी वो जिस प्लेस पर खड़े हैं वहाँ हम उसे जो रीड करते हैं दैट इज इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू. एंड वी सेपरेट दिस ऑल डिजिट्स अकॉर्डिंग देयर प्लेस वैल्यू इन एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म. ओके, व्हाट आई रीड इट? फर्स्ट आई रीड, देन आई एक्सप्लेन यू राइटिंग. आई रीड इट 347. अगेन आई रिपीट 347. 3 is read as a 300, 4 read as a 40 and 7 read as a 7. Then I put the sign of addition. So I got expanded form of 347. 300 plus 40 plus 7 equal to 347. Now next is done yourself. Now next one. Now next is 597. Again I read it. 597. 500 plus 90 plus 7. This is the expanded form of this number. Understood? Now यहाँ पे जो दो सम रह गए वो आप लोगों को अपने आप ट्राई करना है फॉर द रिवीजन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज यूज ग्रेटर, स्मॉलर और इक्वल. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जब हमने फर्स्ट में ये चीज़ सीखी थी तो वहाँ पे हमको सिखाया गया था क्रोकोडाइल ऑलवेज ईट लार्जेस्ट नंबर. Crocodile always eat largest number. So in front of largest number, the mouth is open, and in front of smallest number, the mouth is closed. And if both sides same number, the answer is equal. Now largest और smallest का comparison मैंने अभी आपको ऊपर की exercise में सिखाया था. We start comparison from the place of 100. Now both side 1, 1. Both are same. So now we move on second place. That means tens. 6 and 7. Who is bigger? 7. That means 170 is bigger than 169. So the mouth is open in front of 170. Next is 685, 785. We start comparison. 6 and 7. Who is bigger? 6 or 7? 7. That means 785 is bigger than 685. So mouth is open in front of 785. The next number is 417, 471. The first digit is same in both sides. So we move on second place. 1 and 7. Now who is bigger? 7. So 471 is bigger than 470. The next number is 900 or 800. Who is bigger? 900. Next number is 528 and 523. Now first number is 5, 5. Next number is 2, 2. Both are same. So last number compare 8 and 3. Who is bigger, 8 or 3? 8. That means 528 is bigger than 523. So till the here our activity number 1 on the page number 6 and 7 is done. The remaining sum you try to do yourself, and if there are any query, please ask me. Thank you.